when we go, losing self-control.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is another school lunch video, grocery haul. I have a toddler down here. Oh man. Say hi. Say hi. Say I'm cranky. This is all the stuff that I purchased to make the children lunches during the week. And this week is gonna be me trying to be creative. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so let's start over here. I have a lot of crock pot meals because it's cold. It's officially fall weather. So I have some garlic here. I have a cucumber for the children for vegetable. We have Goya red kidney beans because I'm making chili. We have some juice. So I got the refresher, the fruit refreshers this week, and this is the very berry punch. So I got 2 of these, and then I also got the awesomely apple. I got some bananas because I'm making a open face sandwich for the children using bananas for eyes and blueberries and all that stuff. So told you guys, I'm trying to be a bit more creative with the lunches while staying practical to, you know, a mom that's, you know, trying to get inspiration and don't have the time. So we have some beef smokies here. Quick lunches. I found these, guys. I kept on saying that I didn't want to put little eyeballs in my kids' lunches that weren't edible, and I found this candy eyeballs. So yeah, now we're in business. This real dessert 8-pack. We have some VA 100% vegetable juice. We have some Hershey's cookies and cream pudding. We have some rice pudding here. Marcelo likes rice pudding, so he got that. I don't know about the other kids, but I know Destiny don't like rice pudding. We have some Tropicana peach lemonade. We also have pineapple mango with lime. We have some Idahoan baby reds mashed potato. Then we have over here, we have some sauce packets for crock pot meal. So creamy pesto. This is for my chili recipe. This is for a chicken and biscuit crock pot recipe that I have coming up, and another packet of chili. So that's what that is. I also got some honey, so I'm gonna drizzle this over a lunch idea that I'm getting ready to try. It's called a peanut butter and jelly taco. So I'm gonna drizzle this over it as a sauce. We have some Bolt House Farm green goodness, and this is what, it's just green goodness. We have some sparkling ice. I stopped drinking sparkling ice, but for some reason my husband wants to continue. We have some diced onions. These are easy, fresh vegetable diced tomato. These are really good for like quick meals when you don't feel like cutting up onions and stuff. So got some Chobani flip because a few subscribers suggest that I try some yogurt flips for them. So this is the chocolate haze craze. Babe, the alarm is beeping. Okay. And then we have cookies and cream. We have cinnamon bun fun, and we have peanut butter dream. And these are for Marcelo for his lunches. So he just got the Greek original, and then there's some other stuff over there. So he got the Greek original, and then he has that's light and fit. This is Dannon. This is which one is this? orange cream. So we got 2 orange cream, and then we also have this is strawberry. No, this is apple cinnamon. So we got 2 of those, and we have some Gatorade here. 2 Gatorades for Marcelo's lunches. We have some heavy whipping cream for the chicken biscuit recipe that I'm getting ready to try. And then also I found someone said to use chocolate chips for eyes and stuff. So that's what I picked up before I found the actual eyeball. So that's what that is for. We have some baked beans. We have 2 things of pasta sauce. So we just got tomato, basil, and cheese. We have some frozen meatballs because these are good when you are pressed for time and you need to get dinner going. So this is turkey meatballs. All the other ones have pork in it. So we have some green peas. We have some mixed vegetable. We also have some petite peas and sweet corn. I have a can of sweet peas here because I want to put it in the children's lunches this week. And a thing of strawberry. We have some fresh mozzarella. We have some blueberry. 2 things of blueberry and raspberry. We have some petite potatoes. We have some baby cut carrots. We have some mandarin here. We have, this is oven gold. So this is the Boar's Head oven gold turkey breast. This is provolone. So this is a 1 pound of provolone, 1 pound of turkey breast, even though it doesn't feel like it's a pound, but it's 1 pound. I have some whole milk here for the children's breakfast in the morning. I got some Pillsbury Grand's flaky layers biscuit for our chicken crock pot biscuit recipe that I have coming up on tomorrow. And this is it's just pasta. Let's not go butchering anything, Janice. We have some tortilla because I'm getting ready to do sushi rolls for the children. So it's peanut butter and strawberry sushi rolls. So that's what that is for. I have chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh for the chicken pot pie. The chicken biscuit pot pie that I'm gonna make tomorrow. And then I have some chicken breast here because I'm gonna do I think it's crock pot Parmesan chicken something. I have 2 things of bread. This is just the Italian bread because I'm gonna do the peanut butter taco out of these. Then I have some we have these everything at the grocery store is geared towards Halloween. So all the packaging and stuff is geared towards Halloween. We don't celebrate Halloween, but I needed grapes. So we got some black grapes and we have some red grapes. We have this family size pretzel stick, and this is for a lot of people have been asking. No, Maddie, don't do that. A lot of people have been asking for Halloween themed lunches. I don't do Halloween, and I also don't do theme lunches, but just to appease the viewers, I decided to do a spider sandwich. And it's very easy to do. So these are the arms for the spider. Very easy, very simple. It's just bread cut in a round circle, peanut butter, another top on the top with the arms sticking out, and the eyes for the spider eyes, and that's it. It's very simple. Also, We have some garlic. We have some Texas garlic toast. I got this Chewy Bites for extra protein for the children's lunches if I need it. We got some Little Bites. These were buy one get one free, and I was like, why not? Why not spoil the children while I can? So it was buy one get one free, and there's like 5 pouches in there, but I think there's like four little mini, like this size cupcakes. Is it cupcakes? Yeah, in there. So it's a decent portion size. So this one is chocolate chip, and this one is party cakes. Then I got some fruit snacks for Madison, because yeah, I use this to kind of get her out of my hair. Belvita snack packs, like this is like our family favorite. I have to have it every single week in our lunch. The popular one that my family members, the members in my family seems to like is the blueberry. Not so much the chocolate or the cinnamon, but the blueberry. And if they sold, if these were sold separately, I would purchase them. They're really good, really good. And then to go with that, I got some Ritz. This pack of Ritz crisp and thin sea salt. We have some cereal here. I know it has a lot of sugar. You don't have to tell me. I'm very much aware of it. But it's quick and it's easy. And I have 5 children. So anything that's quick and easy, it's a win in my book. And everything in moderation. So that's that's my motto. We have some sweet and salty nut here. We have so we have the cashew and roasted mixed nut. Could you not rub your naked belly on me? It's not that kind of video. Babe, I will show you. I will show you. Know I will show you on this video, but it's not that kind of video. Macaroni and cheese, just because. And that's it, right? That's it, guys. So this is 1 week worth of grocery. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.